What's up guys, it's Kevin Pack here. First off, welcome to my channel. I just want to say thank you for 2,000 subscribers. This is amazing. It's really humbling. It's a small number, but it's progress, and that's what I appreciate and that's what I like. So I want to thank everyone who's tuned into the channel, commented, liked. Shout out to Trinity, shout out to Alex, like all these people that have been commenting on my channel. Love you guys for the support. I really do appreciate that. And to show my appreciation, I will be doing a giveaway for these 2,000 subs, and I'll do that at the end of this video. So please stay tuned for that. But mainly first, I want to offer a little bit of value, offer a little bit of teaching and skills and whatnot related to Amazon. So in this video, first I'm going to show you guys how you can send your products from China, if your supplier is out in China, all the way to any warehouse in Amazon, and actually how to find what warehouse you're going to be sending it to. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a real good video, and we're gonna be hopping onto my computer to do this. But first off, we're going to start off with my current sales. So you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller, and I ain't talking no BS. I actually happen to know what I'm talking about here. All right, let's pull up these numbers real quick. All right, I'm gonna refresh. Boom, there you go, live refresh right there. 14 sales so far today and over $33,000 in the last 30 days. So that's a full update for you guys. Without further ado, let's get it started and let's show you guys how to ship these products to Amazon. All right guys, so here we are on my computer, and first off, I just want to let you guys know I'm gonna give away a $200 gift card to Amazon to shop for whatever needs you want. Maybe you want to get yourself some new workout clothes, you know, maybe you want that charger that you kept losing for like the last year basically, or maybe a portable charger, maybe you want an accessory to your room. All right, maybe you want some LED lights, I don't know, but you can spend it on whatever you want. And I'm gonna do a giveaway of $200, and stay to the end of the video and I will tell you guys how to enter to win these $200 gift cards. I'm just gonna choose one winner, so one lucky motherfucker is gonna get this. So excited for that. But anyways, let's get down to this video. I'm trying to make this as short as possible so you guys don't have to cry about it. Anyways, so here we are. We're gonna go to our Seller Central. You need to make sure that you have a Seller Central account open in order to send inventory in. And then the next thing is you need a listing. Make sure you have a product listing, okay? So we go to Manage Inventory. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to go to your listing that you want to send inventory to, the product that you want to send inventory to. Where it has this little box right here, you're gonna hit that box, and then you're going to hit Send Replenish Inventory. All right, and if it's a new product, it's gonna ask you for a location. All right, it's gonna give you this as well. It's gonna ask you to convert. So if you want to send the inventory, then you're gonna put the send inventory. Now, when you create an Amazon listing, it's gonna be first set as like fulfilled by merchant. That's what it's gonna be set as. So it's not gonna be an FBA listing. So if you just wanna make sure that it converts to FBA listing first, you could put convert only, or you could just do both and just send the inventory all the way through. This is what usually I do, is just convert and send. And then you're gonna add the dangerous goods information. And then this is where you're gonna put there's no battery information, and there's no waste and stuff like that. Submit. And then you save and continue. Boom, and now you're going to create a new shipping plan right here where it says create new shipping plan, ship from. You can take your supplier's address or you could use your own, depends on what you want to do or feel comfortable with. Usually I just put my supplier. You're going to put individual product, that's a packing type. Case pack is going to be different. This is where you have like multiple items in one pack, like for example, like a case of Hershey's Kisses, that's like there's like 50 of them in there, so that's gonna be a case pack. But if you have just an individual product, I mean, that's different. All right, that's just gonna use an individual product here. We're gonna put continue to shipping plan. All right, and then you're going to need to put the sizing, the dimensions of the actual product itself while it's in the box. Okay, this is your packaging design, and this product is gonna be a bit bigger than our usual, so we're gonna hit confirm. And all right, then we're gonna hit continue on here. All right, perfect. So we have the set number of units, and now we're gonna hit continue. And then now you gotta pick out who preps it. So who's gonna put the labels on the boxes and everything, and that's gonna be us. Not specifically us, but our supplier. So that's gonna be considered us. So you're gonna hit merchant and then choose a category. We're going to put that no prep is needed, boom, and then hit continue. So these labels right here, these right here are the FNSKU labels. This is basically Amazon's label for your product, and then you can send this to your supplier. It's basically a barcode, the same barcode like for however many sets you have. So they could just literally just take at least one of them and then copy those through to your supplier, because they're literally the same barcode all the way through, okay? But the next label you have to send is different. So hit continue. It's going to calculate all the fees and everything, and then it's going to give you a shipping location. So you see this one is going to go to IND2. All right, this is, I believe, Indiana, I believe it's Indiana. So this is going to be a different place that we're going to be shipping it to, and then you can just name your FBA label whatever you want it, and then we're going to hit approve and continue. All right, so this is kind of like a newer page on the Seller Central, and so what we're going to do is under confirm your booking portal, I put complete booking on Shipper Central. Hit confirm, and then now we're going to prepare our shipment and generate the box labels. All right, so that was a new part that we don't need because we're not going to be paying through Amazon shipping. We're going to be using our own supplier for that, okay? And now we're going to come through here, and what you're going to do is, how will this shipment be packed? You're going to put multiple boxes and use the web form, and this is where you're going to put the number of boxes. So these numbers need to match the quantity of the shipment. So we might say like there's 15 per box and that there's 10 here, boom. Now before they would ask here like the size of the cartons and everything, and the weight of each carton and things like that. So, but now they don't ask for that. So we just hit confirm. And then here where it says generate box labels, these are the box labels that they're gonna put on each carton. So that we're gonna hit generate the labels. And then this is what you're going to download and then give back to your supplier for them to put on each and every box label. And boom, that's it, you're done. That's basically how you create a shipping plan and send inventory to an Amazon warehouse. So you just create this, get your labels, and then send it to your supplier and they will handle it from there. And then sometimes your supplier will ask for the shipment ID or the Amazon reference. These usually appear either immediately or within like the next day basically. So that's how you do it. Now, giveaway time. Let's go over the giveaway. All right, giveaway instructions. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do for the giveaway. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. It's not gonna be wild. It's not gonna be too difficult, okay? So all you gotta do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, obviously. The next thing is you have to like this video, and in the comments under this video, I want you guys to comment down below what your goal is and what you want to accomplish before the end of this year, for the end of 2020. What is it that you want to reach and what do you want to work for? Okay, so comment that down below, and I'll be reading through everyone and then randomly selecting a winner there. And yeah, so I will be selecting a winner probably, let's see, today is Friday, June 12th, but this video is going to be live on the 13th, which is Saturday. So I will announce the winner. I will comment on your post here. So whatever you comment, I will reply to your comment saying that you're the winner. That's how you'll know, and I'll let you guys know on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday the 16th, June, Tuesday the 16th, I will announce the winner. So be out on the lookout for that, all right? So make sure you check up in your comments, make sure you see, make sure that I am the one who replied to you. So that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and comment down below for the giveaway, and then I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, stay safe, go make that money, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.